Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to save SVG file in Illustrator. First open the Illustrator and import the any design, then go to the File menu and click on the Export to export as. Click on the Save type and select SVG and follow the process. Also, if you want to another way save SVG, then go to File menu and click on the Save As. Click on the Save type and select SVG. Follow the process. Now, we save a SVG format. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.